Now we have another example, example 1. In this example, we are going to find the LCM between this and this. We are going to find the LCM between this and this one. Or we use 8 as what? As our LCM, multiply 2 out. Now the LCM between 2 and 4 is what? Is 4. You see the LCM is 4 for this one. Then the LCM for this one is what? Is 8. Is 8. Now what you are going to do, we solve. We draw our LCM line. This is our LCM line. Now, how many times 2 can enter into 4? 2 can enter into 4. How many? 2 times. Bracket open. We write what? X minus 1. X minus 1. Bracket close. Here is what? Plus. How many times 4 can enter into 4 is what? 1 times. 1 times. We take what? X plus 3. X plus 3. Bracket close. Equals to sign. Equals to sign. Now for this one, the LCM is what? 8. How many times 8 can enter into 8 is what? 1 times. Multiply by what? 3x. Here is plus. We also put here plus. How many times 1 can enter into 8 is 8 times. Multiply by what? By 1. Now first of all, what we are going to do, we say we expand. We expand the bracket. We expand the bracket. Now we say plus times plus is what? Plus. Plus times plus is plus. 2 times x, we have what? 2x. Plus times minus is minus. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus times plus is plus. 1 times x, we have what? X. Plus times plus is plus. 1 times 3 is what? 3. All divided by what? By 4. Equals to sign. Equals to sign. Plus times plus is plus. 1 times 3x is 3x. Plus times plus is plus. 8 times 1 is 8. All divided by 8. Now let us simplify this one first. We first take 2x. We take plus x. We take minus 2 minus 3. We say plus 3 all divided by 4 equals to 3x plus 8 all divided by 8. Now plus 2x plus x, we are going to have 3x minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, we are going to have plus 1. Why plus 1? If the sign are what? Different, what you are going to do, you are going to subtract. 3 and 2, which one is the bigger number? The bigger number is 3. 3, you remove the 2, what is remaining is what? Is 1. Now 3 and 2, which one is the bigger number? The bigger number is 3. 3 have a sign of what? Plus. That's why we have what? Plus 1. It's the same thing in this one. This one, if the sign are the same, what you are going to do, you are going to take one sign and then what? Add the 2 number. Here is plus, here is plus. We take one sign plus, then we add. We say 3x plus x. 3x plus x. This x is the same as what? 1. 3x plus x is what? 2x plus x. You are going to have what? 3x all divided by 4 equals to 3x plus 8 all divided by 8. Now the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to cross multiply. We multiply this one and this one. Multiply this one and this one. Now multiply 8 multiply by 3x plus 1. We say 8 multiply by what? 3x plus 1 equals to, we multiply 4 multiply by 3x plus 8. 4 multiply by 3x plus 8. Now what again we are going to do? Again we expand. We expand the bracket. Now let us expand the bracket. We say plus times plus is plus. 8 we multiply, we say 8 times 3. 8 times 3. 8 times 3x, we are going to have what? 24x. Plus times plus is what? Plus. 8 times 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Equals to sign, equals to sign. Plus times plus is plus. 4 times 3x, we are going to have 12x. Plus times plus is plus. We multiply 4 times 8. 4 times 8. 4 times 8, you are going to have what? 32. Now our next step, what you are going to do, we collect like term. We collect like term. How we are going to collect like term? We are going to take the number that has x, then take the number that do not has x. That is the meaning of like term. Now we solve. We first take 24x. 24x. Do we have any number that has x again? Yes. We have what? Minus 12. We have what? Plus 12x. Plus 12x, cross the equals to sign to it to meet what? The 24x. The sign will change from plus 12x to what? To minus 12x equals to. But this one do not cross the equals to sign. We say equals to 32. Here is the same as what? Plus. There is no need to write this plus again here. If here is minus, we are going to write here minus. Just because of here is plus, we leave it like that. Here is also plus. Now, do we have another number again? Yes. We have what? Plus 8. Plus 8, cross the equals to sign. The sign will change from plus 8 to what? To minus 8. Meaning, whenever a number is crossing the equals to sign, if that number has a positive, the number will change from positive to what? Negative. If the number has negative, the number will change from negative to what? Positive. Now what you are going to do? Now we say plus 24 minus 12x. What you are going to do, if they are having different sign, what you are going to do, we are going to subtract. If they are having different sign, what you are going to do, we are going to subtract and take the bigger number in sign. Now this 24 has a sign of what? Plus. The 12x have a sign of what? Minus. What you are going to do, if the sign are different, what you are going to do is subtract. 24, remove their 12. What is remaining is what? Is 12. Here is x, here is x. You also put here x. Again, 24 and 12, which one is the bigger number? The bigger number is 24. 24 have a sign of what? Plus. That's why we have what? Plus 20 plus what? Plus 12 equals to. Also here we have what? Different sign. Here is plus, here is minus. What you are going to do, if the sign are different, what you are going to do, we are going to subtract and take the bigger number in sign. We are going to subtract and take the bigger number in sign. 12, we say 32. 32 and 8, which one is the bigger number? The bigger number is what? 32. 32, remove their 8. What is remaining? It's remaining what? 24. Again, 32 and 8, which one is the bigger number? The bigger number is 32. 32 have a sign of what? Plus. That's why we have what? Plus 24. Now, in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to find the value for what? For x. If we want to find the value for x, what we are going to do? We are going to divide 2 by what? By 12. 12 and 12 cancel, meaning we have what? X. We have x equals to 24 all upon 12. Now 12 into itself is what? 1 times. 12 into itself is what? 1 times. Twelve into itself is what? 1 times, into 24 is what? 2 times, meaning x equals to 1 can enter into 2. How many is 2 times? Meaning the value for x is what? Is 2.